Honorable Deputy Speaker, Goa.
Presiding officers, respected Deputy Chairman Harivansh ji, respected Speaker Harvinder Kalyan ji, respected Speaker Kuldeep Singh ji, respected Deputy Speaker Krishna Mehta ji, respected Speakers and Deputy Speakers, respected MLAs, Secretaries of both the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, also the Vidhan Sabha, and the press and the media. It is my pleasure to be part of the CPA Conference of the North Zone here today. Being one of the youngest deputy speakers at this conference, I believe that I represent the next generation of politicians that are going to witness the Vikasit Bharat 2047 as our nation completes 100 years of its independence from the British Raj. Coming from one of India's smallest but most progressive states with an extremely young population, we will be the biggest beneficiaries of Vikasit Bharat 2047. The voters are going to change. The demands are going to be different. It's a generation backed by technology, and it's a generation that's most aware of the current issues, not just locally, but also internationally. Based on everything that's happened post-COVID, maybe the digital payments or the arrival of the artificial intelligence, we as legislators need to find a way to be relevant and to be able to connect with the newer generation of Vikasit Bharat. Goa is a state where everything is extremely personal. The legislators have a personal relationship with their voters. Hence, the MLA needs to be up to date with everything that is around him. The youth, they have the power of a supercomputer in the palm of their hands. It is up to us as legislators to find a way to connect with them and to be able to meet their demands, as it is going to be extremely demanding and more complex as time goes by. We as legislators have to figure a way through the technology available to us to connect with the society of Vikasit Bharat. I came at a time into politics in the year 2019, just before COVID, and being the youngest MLA at the time at the age of 29, I was in an assembly complex full of politicians that were close friends and aides of my late father. It was extremely difficult for a young